Hi everyone. Last time we saw what CMS is. I will discuss 10 must-have features that every CMS ought to have, which will help you in choosing the best CMS software for your content management needs. We live in a content-driven world. If you want to attract your audience, you will need to deliver fresh and engaging content periodically. This is where CMS can help. In the world of technology, there is nothing called a perfect CMS. There is only the CMS that is perfect for you. With that said, let's explore its features. The first point I would like to discuss is the user-friendliness of the CMS. In order to have the CMS work for your audience as well as your employees, the system has got to be user-friendly. A system that has a simplified layout with easy to understand control or search options makes it ideal for your team to adapt and take ownership at individual levels, which increases efficiency and productivity. The second point I would like to mention is customization. This goes without saying that a CMS that allows flexibility in the way content or even delivery applications are presented or retrieved will be more desirable than others. Flexibility and customization makes any CMS stand out. The third point is security. As the technology world is growing, cybercrime has become a serious threat. Malicious codes and scripts, unauthorized access, data integrity violations are some of the common cybercrime methods which any CMS needs to be protected from. A robust security system has now become a necessity to keep those cyber attacks at bay. And there are many security plugins available which you can integrate with your CMS system, which can really protect your website from malicious scripts. The fourth feature is comprehensive search. Your website needs to have a comprehensive search mechanism. If your user is looking for a specific solution for a specific problem and your platform gives it to them easily without browsing the entire site, you will drive more traffic. Search has to be in-depth, fast, and hassle-free to use. There can be a drill-down approach while you are implementing the search in the CMS. A drill-down approach is something where you have the major subjects on top. As you click on, it will drill down as if you are zooming in something. Something of that sort makes more sense when it comes to search facility. The fifth feature is analytics. A content management system that has built-in analytics engine helps content creators, brand managers, sales and marketing teams in knowing visitor trends, and this gives them the opportunity to improvise and optimize their digital marketing and content strategies according to the user behavior. The next feature is powerful publishing tools. Now, publishing tools are the core of any CMS. Just like your content is the backbone of audience interaction, a comprehensive system will adapt to any type of content you want to publish, be it a news snippet or a long article, default layouts or customized landing pages. All these will be integrated into a publication workflow. Let's not forget, it will also handle content tagging, SEO, adding videos or images and more from within the publishing interface. The seventh feature I would like to mention is built-in SEO tools. An intelligent CMS will have built-in SEO tools which will help you automatically create URLs that will work both for the search engines and your readers. The on-page search engine optimization techniques such as adding appropriate page titles, meta descriptions, the alternative tags for images, avoiding plagiarism, etc. can be handled easily with CMS that has built-in tools for SEO. The next feature a CMS should have is multi-platform integration. This has become a must-have feature nowadays. Every organization would want to grow and take their product or services on multiple platforms. It can be another site or multiple screen experience such as mobile devices, tablets, AR, VR, etc. A system capable of handling all these from one place is desirable rather than have a separate CMS for each of them, which will consume more time, money and energy. The next feature I would like to mention is quick rollback options with versioning. Now this is a very useful point from my perspective. What happens if you edited, deleted or created something by accident? You would want the system to roll back to the last saved state, relieving you from the stress of going all over again. Earlier, versioning was once an enterprise level tool, but now more and more content management systems are equipped with it. So you can certainly look for a CMS which can have various levels of versioning and should have a point where you can choose to roll back at that point or that version. The last point I would like to mention is the lightning fast support. Now this is a very relative term. If yours is an IT company where you have talented people who can bring you out of situations when CMS has some problems, then you can ignore this. Having said that, having a robust support system is imperative. Most open source softwares don't offer any support. So you need to be careful while deciding which CMS tool to use. Now when I say open source, yes, there are communities where people do get support, but it's a very tricky. You need to be very technical to make use of those community guidelines. The list of features is exhaustive, but I have tried to compile the best from the rest. It is also important to consider features such as licensing, multilingual support, accessibility, training, customer service, and much more. CMS is evolving. Development is a constant process which varies according to customer needs. Make sure you get what you want. You would not want to pay for a functionality that you will never use, and on the flip side, you don't want to be stuck with a CMS that doesn't fulfill your needs.